guys, Christina here, and I'm back with another video. I know the hair is different, so I just curled my hair. I cut my hair because finally autumn, so the weather is way better, so I don't really need to tie my hair back or up. Anyway, today's video is gonna be a DIY. Reason for this is because I could not find this product anywhere. Yesterday, I went to Chemist Warehouse. I went to where else? IGA and then Terry White. Nothing. There's this product. It's like the shelves were empty. And then today we went again to Kohl's in Chinatown. And then we also went to Chemist Warehouse. Nothing on the shelves. So decided to just make my own. And I researched online, and definitely a way to do this. It's really important to have something in your bag or this item in your bag at this point because of the coronavirus. So I'm challenging myself and I am gonna do a DIY hand sanitizer. So the product I was talking about, it's hand sanitizer. It's just gone. Like, you just can't get it anywhere for some reason. So I am gonna DIY it. I googled it, of course, and there is a way, and I have all the products here. So I bought most of these today. So the first ingredient would be, so this is rubbing alcohol antiseptic isocol to make an effective or DIY an effective hand sanitizer. You have to use alcohol like 60% alcohol at least. So this one, the isocol has 64%. And then, so I also have this one. This is 99%. This is what I use to disinfect my brushes. But for today, I'm not gonna use this because it's too strong, I think. But just in case, if I couldn't buy anything like this in the future, like in a few months, if I ran out of my DIY hand sanitizer, then I might end up using this as well. So yeah, so first is this. This is very important because this is gonna be the product to kill the germs or the virus or bacteria. Alright, so next ingredient is this one. This is the aloe vera gel. So any brand will do. I just happened to buy this from Chemist Warehouse today. And aloe vera is very soothing and moisturizing, so it just balances the alcohol content on the hand sanitizer. The third ingredient is optional. Most people, they like their hand sanitizer to have certain scent. So the one common or the most common products people use are essential oils. So for me, I have this one. It's a tea tree oil that I have. I use this for every time I have pimple because this is antiseptic. So yeah, so this is the third ingredient. It's totally optional. If you don't want your hand sanitizer to smell like, you know, any scent or anything, you don't really have to do that. So based online, it says that you're supposed to use 2/3 of the alcohol and then 1/3 of the aloe vera. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And then if we want the scent, then we can drop a few drops of this. And then of course, to help me do this, I need my, my tools. So I have the measuring cup here. I just got this from Daiso today. It's just like a plastic thing. If you have one at home, you can use it. I have one at home, but I just don't feel like using that. I use that for food. And then a bowl. I have a plastic spoon. And then I have a funnel. So this one is for the like bottles with big opening, and then I also have a small one. And then of course I bought some bottles as well. So these are spray bottles. If you have old like bottles like from your previous, like an old sanitizer that you had, you can actually recycle it. Like this one, these are just $1 each from Reject Shop. And then I also got these 2 tiny bottles. So these are from Daiso. So I plan to put some in this bottle for my smaller bag because I like carrying smaller bags. So at least I have this tiny thing that I can carry with me. These are like $2.50. So we're gonna go ahead and mix everything. I'm just gonna put the camera on the table, like facing the table so you can see while I'm doing it. Alright, so now we're gonna measure it. So this measuring cup, it holds 1.5 cup of product. So the measurement should be, for the alcohol, it should be 2/3. So we're just gonna fill this in. And then for the aloe vera, right now we're gonna put it in. Then just stir it and until it's a bit thick. And then just gonna and just close it. So now we have a bottle of hand sanitizer. All good. And then if you want something, so this one, it's optional. So this is tea tree oil. So I'm just gonna put some here just to see the difference and just oof. And then I'm gonna put it in this one. Other one. No. Alright, finally I have my own hand sanitizer. The result isn't what I was expecting. So there's like, I don't know, like there are like white particles on the hand sanitizer. I'm not sure why. But then when you spray it on your hand, it has the white thing, but then when you rub your hand, it just dissolves like from your hand. So it adds moisture to your hands anyway. But at least I have something that I can put in my purse and something to put in my work table. So whenever I need to like sanitize my hand, I have something because I really can't get my hand on any store. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.